Welcome to the Jim Bakker Show.
People are ordering food faster and faster.
Wow.
In a few hours, there's going to be an event take place, and you won't get food for 6 months to a year. I want to show you something. All this food is for a gift of $2,500.
Wow.
Look at this. Boy, what I love to put my hands in there, but it's hot. This is
the cheesy broccoli rice.
Look at the broccoli in there.
Oh.
Wow.
Look at the broccoli.
That's good.
What if you have to survive for 2 years or 3 years? You're going to need some more food. Let's dump this in with the rice.
Wow.
There it goes. We're dumping 22 gallons into the rice. There it goes.
Wow.
Into the rice. Now I have 44 gallons. But, oh my.
Wow.
I have cheese all over my mouth, I'm sure. I need a napkin.
And